Quality education is the basis for improving people's lives and achieving other goals of the 2030 agenda, such as the fight against poverty, gender equality, health, and more in society. Through projects, experiments, and practical activities, students learn to translate abstract concepts into real situations and to develop skills that are available both in academic and professional world. When understanding the importance of quality education, we talk about the skills, the knowledge, the capabilities, and the character which can lead to economic development of any country. This includes the quality study materials, proper classrooms, competent and professional educators, and also the parents' involvement in quality of the education of their children.
Lesson plan, class involved 9-year-old students in 4th grade. Methodology used, laboratories and cooperative learning. Subjects involved, science, geography, and technology. Objectives involved, knowing the structure of the volcano and the acquisition of a scientific vocabulary, using technological tools such as Google Earth to search for active volcanoes in the world, designing and building a volcano model in groups, following instructions to carry out scientific experiment, and knowing how to respect the work rules in the group, encouraging the inclusion of all group members. First part of the lesson. Volcanoes are majestic natural wonders that captivate our imagination and shape the landscapes around us. In this presentation, we will learn about what volcanoes are, the different types of volcanoes, the different types of eruptions they can have, materials released during volcanic eruptions, and how we can prepare for volcanic events.
It is very important that children know well the elements of the topic they are studying and, and that they acquire the right scientific terms. In this case, they must know the parts of the volcano, which are crater, the bowl-shaped depression at the top of the volcano, cone, steep, conical-shaped hill or mountain formed by layer of volcanic material, lava, molten rock that flows from a volcano during an eruption, shale, flat rock formation that forms when molten magma cools and solidifies in a crack or fissure, conduit, a pipe-like structure that connects the magma chamber to the surface. Ash cloud, mass of tiny volcanic rock fragments, dust, and gases that are released into the air. Magma chamber, a reservoir where magma is stored beneath the volcano. Google Earth. With Google Earth, students will locate active volcanoes around the world. This type of work teaches children to use new technologies in a functional and conscious way.
Materials for building the volcano. You will need a paper plate, a plastic cup, vinyl glue, brushes, newspaper, and brown tempera to color the volcano. Eruption. Material for the science experiment. You'll need half a cup of vinegar, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, red food coloring, and for the procedure, pour half a glass of vinegar and the red food coloring into the volcano crater. Add 2 teaspoons of baking soda, and the eruption occurs.
Integrating technology in schools to improve quality education. We can firstly start by understanding the benefits of technology integration, including boosted student engagement, personalized learning, and improved resource access. Secondly, we can go by identifying key performance indicators for measuring success, such as improved student achievement and increased teacher confidence. Thirdly, we can recognize the importance of teacher training, technology infrastructure, curriculum redesign, progress monitoring, and community engagement. Then lastly, we can acknowledge and address challenges including equal technology access, teacher residence, technical issues, cybersecurity, and digital divide. By achieving objectives, we will be able to create a supportive and inclusive learning environment that harnesses the power of technology to improve education.
The point of education is to give people the skills they need for a job, and these type of relevant skills are, for example, technical skills, which are skills for a specific job, and then there are soft skills, which include, for example, teamwork and time management, and then there is digital skills. So the conclusion is that a quality education should be about more than having different type of schools, different ways of teaching, and different ways of supporting students. It should make sure that all learners, no matter what their background, abilities, or personal situation, feel valued and able to learn and succeed. Children with disabilities and children who do not speak the language of the country where they live should be given the same opportunities.